My YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve this question. Prove that root 6 is an irrational number. Prove that root 6 is an irrational number. So first of all we have to know about this irrational. What is rational? Rational number means what? If it is a form of a by b, then b not equal to 0. B cannot be 0. And a and b are co-prime. Co-prime means what? We can divide a and b by only one itself. Only one itself. So it means HCF of a comma b will be 1. It means these two, a and b, we have to divide by only one. We cannot divide by others. Then only we can say a by b will be rational number. A by b will be rational number. If a by b we can divide by others except this one, like 2, 3, 4, any integer, any positive integer, then we can say this is a irrational number. So the main thing is this a by b form, we have to divide this a and b, we can divide this a and b only by 1, except this one. If we can divide by any other number, any other positive integer, then we can say this is irrational number. So we have to use contradiction method. What is contradiction method? Let root 6 be rational number. We have just assumed, we have just considered that root 6 is rational number. It is not a irrational number. We have to prove this root 6 is a irrational number. We have considered that root 6 is a rational number. We have to prove it, this is a irrational number. So root 6 rational number means what? Root 6 equal to a by b form, and b is not equal to 0. B value cannot be 0, and also a and b are co-prime. So co-prime means what? HCF a comma b will be 1 only. It means a and b can be divided by only 1, except 1 you cannot divide by any other positive integers or any other numbers. After that, what we have to do? This is implies if you do squaring, 6 equal to a square by b square. You can write here squaring both sides. So if you do square here, then whole square means root will be cancelled. A by b whole square means a square divided by b square. After that, if you do the cross multiplication, so under this 6 there is only 1. So a square into 1, it will be only a square, and 6 into b square, it will be 6b square, and this we can give, this is equation number 1, and this is implies a square equal to we can write 6b square equal to 2 into 3b square also. We can write this 6b square equal to 2 into 3b square also. So 2 into 3, it will be 6b square. So from this expression, what we can see, a square equal to 2b square, since there is 2, so it means we can divide by 2. So we can write it like that. Therefore, a square is divisible, a square is divisible by 2. Since a square is divisible by 2, it means, which implies a is divisible by 2. A is divisible, A is also divisible by 2. A is also divisible by 2. Now, A equal to 2c. C means what? C means the constant only, by which we can divide this expression. So, A equal to 2c for some quotient c, means constant only. C means, simply we can understand this is a constant only. So A equal to 2c. Why 2c we have considered? Because we can divide this by 2. A square equal to 6b square means we can divide by 2. Then if you do squaring here, therefore a square equal to 4c square, squaring both sides. Squaring both sides means what? A whole square and 2c whole square. So a whole square means a square, 2c whole square, 2 square means 4, and c whole square means only c square. Squaring both sides. And now we can give, this is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. 1 means what? A square equal to 6b square. And equation 2 means what? A square equal to 4c square. We can see what? A square and a square. Left side is same. If left side is same, then right side will be also same. So we can write it like that. 6b square equal to 4c square. 6b square equal to 4c square. We can see what? This 6 and 4 both are even numbers. If both these two even numbers, so we can divide by a even number. So we can divide by simply, if you divide 6 by 2, then what will reply? 3. B square is b square. And similarly 4c square. So 4 is divided by 2, how much? 2 remain. So 2c square. So what we got? By dividing 2, it means 2 is the common divisor. 6 divided by 2, 3, and b square is b square. 4 divided by 2, it means 2. C square is c square. So 3b square equal to 2c square. So from there what we can see? This 2 is even. So we can write now clearly 2c square is even number. Is even number. Now clearly 2c square is even number. Why it is a even number? Because 2 is even number. So if right side of this equal symbol is even number, then left side will be also even number. So we can write, therefore 3b square is also even number. Therefore 3b square is also even number. So from there 3b square is also even number. So 3b square is even number means what? Which implies b square is even as 3 is odd number. This is implies there is 3b square. So 3 is odd number, but since 3 is odd number, b square should be even number, otherwise 2c square cannot be a even number. So from 2c square it is a even number, we can understand because there is 2. So it means 3b square will be also even number, but 3 is odd number, we know. So b square will be even number. Therefore b square is divisible by 2. Since this is b square and this b square is even number, so it will divide by 2 only. It is divisible by 2. So what we can see? We can see b square is divisible by 2 means what? B is also divisible by 2. B square is divisible by 2 means what? B is also divisible by 2. So it means what we can see from the first to last, we can see there is A is divisible by 2. This is one part, and from the second part we can see B is also divisible by 2. But from the beginning what we said, A by B means A and B are co-prime. Co-prime means what? This A can divisible by only 1 and B also can divisible by only 1. But we can see what? We can see B is divisible by 2, A is also divisible by 2. It means what we can write? We can write, so 2 is a common factor. 2 is a common factor of A and B. It means, so 2 is a common factor of A and B. This contradicts the fact that A and B are co-primes. What is the meaning of contradicts? Contradicts means, suppose I have considered 3 is odd but after finding the solution or after getting the result, we have seen 3 is a even number. If it is like that, then only we can write this contradicts the fact. So we have written it like that because before we have considered it, we have seen a and b can divide by only 1, but when we solve the problem, we have seen a is divisible by 2, also b is also divisible by 2. That's why we have written it like that. This contradicts the fact that a and b are co-primes. So our assumption was wrong. Assumption means what? What we have considered, what was our thinking. So all these are wrong. Hence root 6 is an irrational number.